Hey everybody, Professor Bedler with a little video to gear you up for Unit 5, our very last unit. Okay, so my office hour chat schedule is, as usual, Monday, which will be February 3rd. I will be holding my office hours from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. as regularly scheduled. Then on Tuesday, February 4th, we'll have our very last chat. I always get sad at the last chat. I'll be holding that at the regularly scheduled time, so check out your classroom for that. Then your remaining Unit 4 due dates, very important, are as follows. Tuesday, February 4th is going to be a big day. You have two things due. Firstly, you have your Unit 4 in Telepath that is due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Then secondly, on the 4th, you will have your Unit 4 discussion board responses due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Your Unit 4 determined knowledge and your Unit 4 discussion board original post were due last night. You should have gotten those in. Please do so quickly if you haven't done so already. Okay, then your Unit 5 due dates, everybody. Unit 5 due dates, Friday the 7th. You have your Unit 5 determined knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then Tuesday, February 11th, you have your Unit 5 in Telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Get in these last important assignments. You know you can do this. I know you can do this. Stay C2 strong, and do not hesitate to ask me any questions. Have a great week, everybody.